If you've been scrolling through online stores looking for elegant, comfortable linen shoes, you might have come across herein, a site that promises high-quality footwear crafted with premium materials, combining both fashion and comfort. On the surface, it looks like a dream come true for shoe lovers with clean product photos, bold claims of being featured in top publications like Vogue and Forbes, and even a founding date going all the way back to 1998. But before you hit that buy now button, there are a few things you need to know because something just doesn't sit right. First off, their domain was only registered in March 2025, which contradicts their claim of being around since the late 90s. That's not just a small oversight, it's a major red flag. Then there's the matter of their product photos, which appear to be lifted directly from other websites, raising serious doubts about whether they even manufacture or stock these shoes themselves. Their contact information doesn't seem authentic either. It looks copy-pasted from a generic template, offering no clear location, phone number, or legitimate customer support history. And those bold media claims? There's zero evidence online that Vogue, Forbes, or any other major outlet has ever mentioned herein, not even in passing. Even more concerning is the complete absence of customer reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, CityJabber, or Reddit. For a brand claiming to be around for over 2 decades, that silence is deafening. Now, I didn't find hard proof that the store is a scam, but I also didn't find anything to confirm that it's trustworthy either. Everything feels too polished, too perfect, and ultimately too risky. So while it's not my job to tell you what to do with your money, I will say this: if a deal feels too good to be true and the foundation doesn't check out, it might be better to step back and protect yourself. Always look beyond the surface, especially when it comes to your hard-earned cash.